Hello, sweet cheeks. Welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm so excited because I ordered another Louis Vuitton item. The last and final act, the Cerise came out. I got a bag. I had to ask for this, by the way. They were not going to give me any special packaging. Ordering in store is so frustrating because, like, they don't give you any of the packaging, at least for me, because maybe they don't care about me, but I at least got a bag, which is really fun. And then the box itself, listen, guys, the last time I filmed a video, I said, oh, that's going to be it for me. I have no more items that I'm going to purchase from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collections. But then I was looking at my purse pals and I was like, oh, this purse pal is so perfect for it. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys. And I'm going to explain why I got it. But there really is no explanation. It's just I wanted it. So let's open it up. So I got the Louis Vuitton Murakami. What is this? The ribbon. So it says Louis Vuitton Murakami, has all that stuff. I picked this up just in store now. Came in a smaller box to reveal. Okay, this is gonna be, you guys are gonna be like, okay, this was very expensive, which it was. It was less expensive than the Papillon, but for what it is quite expensive. Da 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 da. The sunset. I got the sunset with the embroidered cherries on it. I am obsessed with the denim. I don't have a denim bag myself, but I'm obsessed with the denim. So I'm naming her Phyllis because she looks like Phyllis from Animal Crossing. At least that's what my sis says. This is the new rendition. I think there's like an old bag called like the Pleaty or something like that. And was basically this. It had a smaller buckle. To be honest, I prefer that smaller buckle, but now we have this Phyllis buckle, which it is what it is, you know what I mean? But that's what it looks like. And then the strap does not come out. Like, it's attached to this one side, which is a little bit annoying. I wish the strap was detachable, but that's fine. So, OMG, you cannot tell me that this is not a killer piece to have in my collection, especially as my first and only denim piece. At least it's very, very special. So everything looked good. I checked it over in the store. The only one thing that concerned me is in this pocket, there is a grommet, a random spare grommet. And I don't know where it came from because I don't see anywhere. I think it might just be a random spare grommet. I'm gonna leave it in the bag. And then it came with an extra little strap that I can attach to it so I can make it crossbody. Oh, and then there's like something going on there. What is this? Oh, so there's like tape on this, which this is mine, so I'm gonna take it off so I can share with you what it looks like. Jesus. Comes with another strap so I can make it a crossbody bag. I don't even think I will ever wear it this way because I personally like it as a shoulder bag, but it's nice to have the option, I guess. So I can wear it like this. It's okay. It's not the most comfortable because the metal hardware is like right on my back there, but that's what it looks like. And then it has a pocket on the inside, and it's the denim pocket on the inside here. And this one was made in France, which I'm so excited about. Their tag is here, which I'm going to remove that now. I think it's so crazy that they give these tags now, but this is it. The Sunset MNG BDC, item number M13680. When I went to pick this up, they had the like little white cherry pochette. I'm not a white cherries girl. I think I just like the classic monogram. I know the white cherries is new for 2025 and it's a new style, but I'm just not a white cherries girl, so I told my sales associate like I'm not gonna buy it. But I love this bag. I need to get a purse organizer for it, but yeah, I'm so excited. It's so stinking cute. And let me get my purse pals. So I have my tub of purse pals here. And of course, I gotta put her on this bag. Tell me that's not perfection. Okay, let me put her on right now. I need to cut this off. Okay, there she is. I put Hello Kitty in her kimono on. I also put this Nintendo controller on here because there's red on there. I figured that would be quite cute to have dangling around. Oh my god, I freaking love this. I love that purse pals are so in right now, even though I've been a purse pal lover for a long time, but there we go. That's my girl. That's my baby. I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, that is it. I'm very happy she is made in France. I was really hoping that she would be made in France. This is super weird. It's so heavy that it kind of like flips out, which is a little bit annoying, but right now I'm currently using the Hermes Picotin that I purchased for my mom, and she just never uses it. So I said, hey, if you're never going to use it, give it back to me and I'll use it. And she was like, okay, you can just have it. She's just not like a very, like, she's not that much of a bag person. So anyways, I'm going to switch into this week though, because this is what I'm using, and this is my Hello Kitty Shinkansen 50th anniversary Hello Kitty. Yeah, she's just, it's her and the Shinkansen here. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to switch over to this one this week. It's the end of the week, so I will finish using this bag and then move all my stuff into this bag. I'm so excited for it. It is so killer, like such a killer bag. I freaking love it. Anyways, that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for following along on my journey. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.